Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Jota or Grealish, choose one of the mystery signings player in EA Sports FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. Tap this mystery signings event. So welcome to the mystery signings. You can reveal player clues to pick mystery player rewards and accumulate progress in getting the milestone reward. As you can see, we already uncovered the first player, Diogo Jota, striker, play for Liverpool from Portugal. And the second player, the player B, is Jack Grealish from England, play for Manchester City with 90 OVR in left winger position. So please choose wisely. If you need a striker, please go with Diogo Jota, but if you need a winger, you can go with Grealish. So please pick player or choose player that fit into your team. So for example, I need left winger. Just tap free button and tap to open, and we got rivals player from England, left winger, play for Manchester City. He is Jack Grealish. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.